figured we probably should get up to speed with the evolution of Wendy's lies.
Now the fun begins.
Periodontist.
Oh.
Speculate?
No, I'm asking if they're wealthy. You may, if you don't know, you say you don't know.
Breathe.
It depends how you define wealthy.
Fuck off, Wendy.
Are they millionaires?
No.
Yeah, they have like 10 million. They did. Piss off, Wendy.
Okay. When did you separate from Mr. Markel?
Pause. Did you hear Georgia just then? She's at the very beginning of her journey of spicy, sassy, subtle shade. I'm going to go back by one. Wait. She goes, okay.
No.
Okay. When did you separate from Mr. Markel? Okay.
But that sounds about right.
All right. And in that,
I don't remember. If you have it, you can, I'm happy to take a look.
okay.
Very Jen McCain
But in any
of you.
event, you were not able to move at that time.
I did
Mind
not
you,
move.
she's an attorney. Look at her. She's so Valiumed out and fake as fuck. Too much
Do you
fucking
recall when your divorce,
facelifting.
Mr. Markel, became final?
remember that.
bullshit.
Did he threaten?
I don't remember, but if
Bullshit.
you'd like to show me the motion, I can take a look.
Okay,
but you
Jen
don't
McCain.
remember that.
That someone was going to come after me or my
Bullshit.
children and harm us.
Ooh, the way she holds her head just sends me like, no. Man,
Look at this.
so much facial surgery.
This photo.
She's so fake, man.
Did you say how you know Ms. Magbanua?
On in the middle.
Ooh,
Yes.
bitch, please.
I have no idea.
Like,
Do you know when they stopped seeing each other?
I have no idea.
I know.
I met many, many girlfriends of my brother's
Ooh,
over
shade.
the years. I didn't get any indication that it was a serious relationship.
Okay. He's a guy that has a lot of girlfriends.
He has had a lot of girlfriends.
How many girlfriends has he had since Catherine Magbanua? This murder, like June 30th through July 10th, 2014. Were you in?
I gave them my cell phone.
Ooh. Okay,
And-
Jennifer McCabe.
Authenticate who was speaking on the phone call
She's infuriating.
at the time, but that sounds right. I know I had left to meet some friends for lunch, so I guess it was, I did not visit the crime scene.
You did not pull up to the crime scene tape on Truscott Drive?
No,
Yeah.
I was driving on Centerville Road, and sometimes I would take the shortcut through Truscott,
The shortcut.
but when I was driving on Centerville Road, I saw some sort of tape or obstruction, and so I didn't turn.
Okay.
See the hands?
In Tallahassee by then.
Did you
And-
ever come back?
I did come back a few times, but not permanently.
Okay, so you ended up moving there permanently.
I wouldn't say it's permanent, but I'm living there right now.
Okay. Well, it's been 5 years.
Yes.
It has been a while. I've been exploring options for employment in many different places.
Okay, Wendy.
And when you,
Your mother is Donna Adelson.
She is.
Where is she right now?
Jail.
Right now, she's with my children
Not in Tallahassee.
in Miami.
Okay, she's not in jail.
No,
She's never been arrested before.
no.
Okay,
She
she's not
is
even
now.
testifying in this case.
Angel did it.
To your knowledge.
To my knowledge, no.
What about your brother Charlie? Is he in Miami right now?
He's probably in Fort Lauderdale right now.
He's
Okay,
not.
but he hasn't been arrested,
No,
hasn't been charged,
no,
and he's not testifying in this case, is he?
no.
Oh, shit.
You are testifying today under a state subpoena, correct?
Correct.
And that state subpoena gives you immunity for your testimony, right?
Yes.
Can you explain to the jury, since you're an attorney, what immunity is?
Immunity is freedom from prosecution.
Oh, this is hilarious.
So that means that anything you say today can't be used against you if the state decides to arrest you
attention,
later
chat.
on.
The state isn't going to decide to arrest me.
Wait.
Do you know if they can?
So Tara Kawas did not know what to say there. I'm going to skip back. Listen, because, and watch Wendy's face. She is so fucking smug. Wendy, she doesn't even understand. She doesn't understand. Like, lol. Okay, so listen to Tara's question. Focus, chat.
That gives you immunity for your testimony
Wait.
to your parents.
I don't think he did.
Do you know if Detective Isom ever tried to speak to your brother Charlie?
I don't think he did.
Now, you are testifying today under a state subpoena, correct?
Correct.
And that state subpoena gives you immunity for your testimony, right?
Yes.
Can you explain to the jury, since you're an attorney, what immunity is?
Immunity is freedom from prosecution.
So that means that anything you say today can't be used against you if the state decides to arrest you later on.
The state isn't going to decide to arrest me.
Now the fun begins.
Girl.
Helped me during the divorce and helped me with the kids. They were very small, but she didn't retire. She just worked for my dad, so it was okay if she took a leave of absence here and there.
I want to vomit.
Did you discuss your marital problems and the resulting legal issues with your mother?
I'm sure I did.
No shit. Should we read those
Fair to say Your
emails?
mother is a controlling person.
I think my mom is and was very invested in my life. I don't think of her as a controlling person.
Bullshit.
Is it fair to say around the time of your divorce that your mom did not like Dan Markel?
I think that's fair to say. I think she was very disappointed by the way he treated me.
Get the
In
fuck
fact, she
out of here.
despised him, didn't she?
I don't remember her calling him names.
Would it refresh
Asshole.
your recollection
Sure.
to take a look at the emails for that?
I'm happy to. Silly name that
Fuck
I
off,
came
Wendi.
up with during a period of time when I felt incredibly terrorized by Danny.
Fuck
And
off,
so
Wendi.
it was a
Fuck
word that I would use to kind of. No. Okay.
Piss
But you
off.
came up with. What
All
types
right.
of things did your mother suggest that you could do to try to
Oh, shit,
coerce
Jenna.
or acquire?
But I didn't see the amount. If you want to.
Whatever.
You on that?
Oh my god. She's so full of shit. The audacity. Ugh.
Permission to relocate was denied. If you could show me the
Bullshit.
binder, I can.
I
The
could.
binder. Yeah, let's have a look at the
I'll
binder.
draw you to pages
Let's do that.
262 and 263.
In the binder?
Show us the binder. Yes, Georgia. Show us the binder. There's the binder. Wait.
Okay, so the order
Wait.
was on
Stop.
June.
I'm going back. I'm going to pause it. Let's have a look at the thickness of that binder in case you weren't looking at the moment. Whoa. That's all the court filings in their divorce settlement. Like, performative. Perfect. Chef kiss. Like, chef kiss. And Wendi asked for it. She says, if you can show me the binder, like, she's proud. Wow, ma'am, that is nothing to be proud of.
Police for protection at the
Ugh.
funeral or in my home,
Ugh.
and they refused CNN
Fuck off,
and hit the
Wendi.
media. And I
So
didn't.
I don't
feel
mean to
safe.
interrupt you, but the question was, how long did you stay in Tallahassee after your husband was killed?
I'm sorry, Ms. Kappelman. I stayed for a few days.
Thank you.
Not on my part.
Well,
Ooh.
on both your parts, right?
No.
All right.
Fuck
So
off,
in
Wendi.
that
Ugh.
filing,
So
Fuck
it didn't really
off.
lodge in my memory.
Fuck
did your mom
off.
take it seriously?
No,
Was it ever ruled on?
I don't know.
Bullshit,
If it were, it should be here, right?
right?
Yes,
I'm going to
ma'am.
show it.
Is it here?
No, it's not. It was scheduled to be ruled on in August of 2014, right?
I don't know. I don't know when it was
Bullshit.
scheduled for. I do know that nobody took it very seriously.
Bullshit.
Okay. So your mom wasn't worried
It
about
just led him to
Fuck
do some
off.
self-medicating.
Okay,
Fuck
but
off.
I'm really speaking of the time frame. I should have clarified. 2013.
So the last few years he was self-medicating because he was losing his fucking mind, not knowing who was going to come for him first, the Latin Kings or the fucking FBI. Oh, Wendi. Oh, please, girl. Self-medicating because he was... these people.
13 to 24 is paying cash.
I'm not aware of that.
Are you
Bullshit.
aware of your brother carrying large amounts of cash?
He did sometimes carry more cash than I would, but not like.
I bet you he
based on
flashed it around like a full dickhead.
Did you observe the
several weeks, and then I was completely terrified to leave my house. So this was the first time I tried to leave the house and eat.
Was the dinner intended to be a celebration of the fact that your husband was murdered?
Absolutely not.
Yes.
Did your
6 hours I spent with law enforcement without an attorney present trying to help
Oh!
them. Murder. Yes, I saw all
Fuck,
kinds
she's
of things.
torture.
all right, and one of the
There may have been other girlfriends.
Overruled.
Oh, shut up, Wendi.
Okay, now answer the.
Okay, and when you say she worked there, did she physically went there?
I really don't know.
And did you ever work at the Adelson Institute?
I did
Okay.
between my master's and my law degree.
All right. And
Finally.
did you see Catherine Magbanua there when you were working there?
No, that was 2003. Geek Squad was coming to.
Ugh. Ugh.
I don't remember.
$217,000. Does that sound familiar?
I don't remember.
I don't remember. I don't remember.
What about
I don't
the
remember.
IRA? Did you have an IRA?
I really don't know.
I don't know.
$100,000.
Nope.
Very possible.
I don't
What
remember.
about a checking account?
But
Every fucking
probably at
day?
least once or twice a week.
Bullshit.
What?
Every day.
How old are your boys now?
Ugh.
And their faces had been unblurred
Ugh.
on CNN and all across social media.
I'm sorry
I
to
thought-
interrupt you, but if you'll answer my question is, when were the boys' names changed?
The boys' names were changed after I wrote a letter to Danny's family explaining why I was
Ma'am.
changing their names.
Ma'am.
When were their names
About
changed?
a year after.
Okay, and that was when they were legally changed to July family.
I'm sure while I sat for 6 hours completely traumatized,
Ooh.
I said all kinds of things.
All right, and was one of the things you said while you sat for 6 hours?
I phrased it like that, and I think you're taking my words out of context, but sure.
But sure.
But sure what?
No further questions.
Woo!
All right, we're going to take our break now.
Yeah, Georgia.
And so it'll be about a 10-15 minute break.
And Wendy's face. Watch Wendy's face. Like, watch Wendy's face. Nostrils flared. She's so big mad.
Culpable parties held accountable unless it was your family.
I don't believe I phrased it like that, and I think you're taking my words out of context, but sure.
But sure.
But sure what?
No further questions.
Look at
All
her.
right, we're
Look
going
at
to take our break now.
her.
And so it'll be about a 10-15 minute break. Allow you to stretch your legs, use the facilities. And so the deputy will take you back. Remember the discussion about the case or any testimony that
He starts with, Mrs. Adelson, this is all about you.
cross-examination.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Ms. Adelson, this is all about you.
Excuse me?
This is all about you, right?
I was called to be a witness and I'm testifying, so I don't understand the question. Is it a question?
100 people in this courtroom, right?
There are people in the courtroom.
Possibly thousands watching, right?
I have no idea who's watching.
And it's all because of your failed marriage, right?
I disagree with that.
You disagree that your ex-husband is dead because of your family.
Yes, I disagree.
These
26, 2006, is that the question? Yes,
in Boca Raton.
in Boca Raton, Florida.
And it wasn't a small wedding, it was a big wedding.
There were many people in attendance. You mean if I have two boys?
Yes.
Yes.
And Professor Markel, he was a,
Or kids.
and they adored him too, didn't they? Or wasn't?
So there was a misunderstanding about whether the food was going to be kosher style or more in adherence with kosher law. There was a miscommunication about that.
Wow.
So you had people that strictly keep kosher eating non-kosher food, which is a big deal.
That was a problem at our wedding. Yeah.
Because of you,
Fast forward
bitch.
now to September 10th,
So yes.
and he's doing the presentation. I mean, upset indicates that there was anger. What he was
Look how mad she is. Look how mad she is. I mean, she can't do much with her eyebrows, way too much Botox. But look how mad she is. Her nostrils are flaring. She's got that, like, she's almost staring through him through her white rage. Oh, so good. So good.
was heartbroken, right?
That I,
He left the divorce papers on the bed, right?
yes,
Half
What
the
a
furniture was
fucking
gone.
bitch.
half the furniture.
Stay on topic.
She's
When
laughing
he
about
walks in
it.
the-
She's
he walks
laughing
in the
about
door,
it.
the
Wait.
boys are not in the house.
She's laughing about it. I'm going back by 10. Look at her. Fuck. Gleeful about what, like, that's her deepest delight. That's her remembering the way she fucking shafted her husband. What a. Ooh.
As things were gone, I'd taken enough so that I had
Look at
the
it,
boys,
watch.
but no,
You were gone,
I was gone. Yes.
and so were his
Oh!
boys.
His boys were not gone. He saw them the next day, and they would not have been awake if he's coming home at 11 p.m.
She thinks it's funny.
Let's stay on topic here.
I'd
When
love
he
to stay on
walks in the
topic.
when he walks in the door, the boys are not in the house, right?
Correct.
Wow.
And you did not tell Professor Markel where you were taking the boys.
She looks at the judge for help. Help, judge, help me. I'm just a girl.
Before, and I'll leave out the hitman part, Professor Markel was killed.
He made the joke the morning that I talked to him.
Can you think of one person in this world that would actually hire two people to go kill Professor Markel other than your family?
No, no.
Ms. Adelson, please
Answer
please
I'd
address
love
me and
to.
answer the
It
question.
calls for an unbelievable amount of speculation. I mean, I'm responsible for coming up with. That's the prosecutor's duty, no?
Ugh.
Figure out who's responsible.
You just said a moment ago that you disagree that hitmen killed Professor Markel. That's what you say,
No.
right? So my question to you is, if you're able to say, well, it wasn't hitmen, then who? Tell the jury. Who on this planet would have wanted to kill Professor Markel?
I have no idea.
All right,
Oh,
let's get
to
into
the
that.
jury.
How am I supposed to answer that?
Well, let's go through your resume. You went to Brandeis
Cringe.
University, right?
I did.
You graduated magna cum laude,
I did. Okay.
right? We're talking about your level of intelligence. You went to,
Well, now you're just embarrassing me.
why are you embarrassed that you're a published author?
I don't like talking about myself.
Is it
Bullshit.
because the book that you wrote discredited Tallahassee and spoke ill of it?
The book did
You're
not.
a smart woman, right?
I am a smart woman.
There's information about this case everywhere. You'd agree with me on that, right?
I've been advised by my lawyer not to read it.
All right. Now, we're not talking about reading stuff. There's podcasts,
Also not to listen.
TV shows,
Also not to watch.
articles.
Don't read.
And so you've made the decision. Now, you're a lawyer yourself too, right?
I am.
And you made the decision, I'm not going to look at any of this stuff.
Correct.
I don't want to know what happened to the
Bullshit.
father of my two children.
Not I don't want to know what happened.
How can you say you love those boys if you don't care who killed the father that they loved?
Of course I care who killed the father that they loved.
Brother did this.
I am not afraid of that
Now, of course, you've, and we won't get
since this started.
Pause. Did you see a look at the jury? Like, can you believe this guy? Wendy, come on now.
you understand that until you expose your brother what he did, that everybody's going to consider you as guilty. You understand that, right?
What is the question that you're asking me?
You understand that until you expose your brother and explain what he did, that he went behind everybody's back, that he hired a hitman to murder your ex-husband, you'll remain guilty in the eyes of the world.
I can't speak to the eyes of the world. I can only know that I have done nothing wrong.
Or maybe you are guilty.
I am not guilty.
So you do know, or maybe you were involved.
Excuse me? What's the question that you're asking me?
I'm giving you a header of what we're talking about so that it will ease you in the question. Okay? I'm just telling you what the topic that we're on, so we'll get to a question.
So forgive me.
Graduated
This is
law
Watch
school,
more
right?
Charles,
This isn't
Wendy.
my area of law.
When your understanding though
I
is it
didn't
doesn't
care.
mean they can't
I didn't
arrest
care.
you. They just can't use what you say back to it. You can think up a better answer, okay?
I'm not thinking of an answer. I'm telling you the truth. I'm sorry if you don't want to listen to it.
Your basic understanding of criminal law though, you know that if the defense gives you
Their grandparents, I cooked for them.
Bullshit.
We had play dates. They
Bullshit.
had sleepovers.
Bullshit.
When a letter surfaced that they were trying
care
to,
about the father that they love, what
I
happened?
never said that I don't care about the father that they
Then look
love.
at some of the discovery and help figure it out.
Excuse me?
Then look at some of the evidence and help figure it out so that more lives aren't ruined by this.
I seem to
Mr.
not
Because
understand.
you need to ask a question now. You're making
So
statements, so you
good.
need to ask a question.
Understood, Your Honor. If I could have one brief second to check with Go-Time. I'll say it all soon. We started this by saying that this is all about you. It started with you because of this marriage, right?
No.
She's so bad.
Well, you had tried to say that, but I don't agree.
Police did contact them, didn't they? And they refused.
No,
Are they represented by counsel?
they are represented by counsel.
And they'll
Oh,
come testify if we want to.
If they are under state subpoena, just like I was, they would come testify.
All right.
they're going to plead the
And
fifth.
do you know what they would testify to?
They would testify to whatever they know. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't
All right, let's
know.
go to the day of
I don't
Dan
know.
Markel's murder. What were you doing that day? Due to his paternal side.
I
It
can't
was a
stand
tribute to
Wendy.
both families.
Did
So
you drop
TikTok, Wendy, you're fucking next.